Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Ram 1500 parking brake, only way. Begin by securing the truck, chocking wheels, and setting ignition to accessory for a safe start. Remove the center console trim gently to expose the parking brake cable and adjustment nut. Use a wrench to turn the nut a quarter turn at a time, then recheck pedal travel and brake engagement until the feel matches firm and secure. Locate the adjustment nut beneath the center console by removing trim panels and setting aside screws and clips. With a flashlight, find the cable where it connects to the parking brake lever and identify the lock nut that secures tension. Use a correctly sized wrench to hold the cable and another to rotate the adjustment nut, making small changes and checking the pedal travel frequently for balanced results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful how-tos. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for hands-on work because it seals tight and fits most cup holders, which makes it perfect while working under a dash. I use it for long garage sessions to stay hydrated without spills, so check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. After initial adjustment, press and release the parking brake several times to settle the mechanism and check pedal travel. Aim for a firm engagement with moderate travel, avoiding over-tightening that causes brake drag. If dragging occurs, back off the nut slightly and retest. Complete a slow drive and repeat checks until the parking brake holds on inclines reliably without binding during driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.